Okay, now pwede nyo rin siya i-solve using sine, cosine, tangent, then yung reciprocals nyo for 60 degrees. Alright, pero mababaliktad lang. Ang opposite na niya ay square root of 3. Ang adjacent niya 1, same pa rin ang hypotenuse. Kung kanina 30, ngayon naman 60. Same pa rin yung sides na dapat nyong tandaan. 1, 2 is square root of 3. Pero may iba na yung posisyon ng opposite sides and yung adjacent side. Kasi ang opposite na ni 60 ay square root of 3. Ang adjacent niya na ay 1. So, pwede nyo siyang itry using yung ating SOHCAHTOA. Alright, now let's go to 45, 45, 90. So, dito naman, drawing tayo ng triangle, right triangle. But this case, since 45, 45, 90 siya, meaning equal yung angles, yung opposite sides, congruent din or equal. So, kung ano yung measure neto, yun din yung measure neto. So, in short, kung eto, tatlo, 1, 2 square root of 3, eto, dalawa lang yung parang tinatandaan nyo. Alright? Tatandaan nyo lang to. 1, 1, kasi parehas sila. So, 1, 1 is square root of 2. Ulitin natin. 1, 1 is square root of 2. Magkamukha yung legs. Yung hypotenuse is square root of 2. And we can now solve for sine 45 degrees, cosine 45 degrees, tangent 45 degrees, at yung mga reciprocals niya. Now, for sine 45, so tingin ka dyan, pili ka lang, yan or eto. Ito na lang, so maganda to, side view. So, sine 45 degrees, sine, eto, opposite, so, opposite over hypotenuse. So, opposite over hypotenuse. So, 1 over square root of 2. And again, cannot be. So, rationalize by square root of 2, square root of 2. So, 1 times the square root of 2 is square root of 2. Square root of 2 over square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 or 2. Shortcut natin, tinatanggal nila yung square root, copy 2. Now, in this case, hindi mo pwedeng i-cancel yung 2. Kasi ito radical to. Ito whole number. So, hindi sila pwedeng i-cancel. So, as it is. So, yan na yung sine 45 degrees. Again, wala na siyang pair. Hindi kagaya nito. Kunin mo yung sine 30, kunin mo yung sine 60. Ito, magkamukha na sila. So, as it is expressed as 1. Now, kunin mo naman yung cosine niya. Yung cosine 45 naman, so adjacent over hypotenuse. So, 1 over square root of 2. 1 over square. Again, ito yung kinukuha nating angle ha. Adjacent niya is 1. Opposite niya is 1 din. Magkamukha. 1 over square root of 2. So, cannot be rationalized. Square root of 2 is square root of 2. So, that is 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2 over cancel square root, remain 2. So, hindi pwedeng i-cancel, kaya yan na yung sagot. Kung papansinin nyo, yung sine 45 ay square root of 2 over 2 equal siya kay cosine 45. Remember yung complementary co-function pairs? Ano ang complementary ng 45? Di ba 45 din? Kasi ang sum nila ay 90. Pero co-function tong dalawa, sine and cosine. So, etong dalawa, complementary co-function pair. Kaya, equal yung kanilang answers. Alright? Now, punta kay tangent. For tangent, TOA, again, yung angle natin is 45. Opposite over adjacent. TOA. Opposite over adjacent. So, 1 over 1. And that is 1. Alright? Now, kunin natin yung mga reciprocal niya. Ang reciprocal ni sine ay cosecant 45 degrees. So, baliktarin nyo lang. Magiging 2 over square root of 2. And again, rationalize. Multiply by square root of 2. That's gonna be 2 times the square root of 2 is square root of 2. Over square root of the square root of 2, cancel square root, kaya 2 na lang. And as you can see, pwedeng i-cancel to. Alright? So, ang sagot niyan ay square root of 2 na lang. For cosecant 45. Now, let's go to secant 45. Reciprocal ng cosine 45. And remember, they are complementary. Alright, co-function pair, kaya 45, complementary niya 45, co-function ng cosecant ay secant, kaya equal ang value. Hence, kamukha niya rin lang, square root of 2. Or kahit baliktarin mo yan, di ba reciprocal? 2 over square root of 2. Ganun again, rationalized by square root of 2. The same process, so 2 is square root of 2 over 2. Cancel, kaya square root of 2. Kaya napatunayan natin sila na co-function pair sila. Same as for cotangent 45. Ano ba ang co-function ni cotangent? Siyempre yung tangent. And ka-complement ng 45, 45. Equal sila, kaya 1 din yan. Or kahit kunin mo yung reciprocal ng 1 over 1, which is 1 over 1, that is also 1.